The tools that we use in the shop are often pneumatic driven. That means with air. And sometimes students don't have any experience. You won't have any experience on how to connect using a quick connect from the air hoses that are positioned around the shop. Before you get ready to use any of these pneumatic tools, make sure that the valve is open, and as you can see, the blue handle is parallel to the air pipe. That means that the air valve is open. So when you're getting ready to use it, make sure it's on. Don't assume it's on because you hear air leaking out, maybe another regulator around the shop. And so you go to fire and the air has been turned off and your fastener only goes halfway through. Okay, so that's over there. The regulator is over there and the blue handle is parallel to the pipe. Simply to connect this air hose to this tool, we're going to go ahead and pull the mechanism back on the quick connect and just go ahead and push it. Make sure the nose of the gun is always pointed down. Don't have it pointing to the side looking at it. Keep your finger off the trigger. Don't get in the habit of connecting it like so. Pull it back, push and release. And now this tool is ready to go. To disconnect, you simply grip, pull it back, and disconnect. The same is true with a staple gun versus a brad nailer. Okay, connected, disconnected. So that's how you use an air hose with a quick connector to connect a brad nailer, a staple gun, or any type of tool that uses compressed air, whether it's a drill or it's a sander, and they have a quick connect on the air hose, and then you have a connection tip in the tool.